Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to do a proper diamond grind on a concrete floor. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's very important to do a good preparation on concrete floors, especially when you're going to attempt a full flake polymer floor. Very important. It's a lot of money to invest and you want to do it right so it stays there forever. When renting equipment, you might want to look at the Edco 10-inch diamond grinder with a dust vac extraction system. You can find that rental at Home Depot, or if you're in the South, check out Sunbelt Rentals. The cost will be around $200 to $300 for a weekend's rental. Of course, this rental is not going to come with diamond tooling. You're going to have to source that locally, and it attaches to the bottom of the grinder, as you can see here, via a magnetic attachment. So very easy, it snaps right into place. In most cases, you're going to look for a 30 grit medium bond. You can find these for a lot less cost on Amazon. The number one question we get every week is, what should my floor look like when I'm done preparing it? And you can see the chalky white look to the floor as that grinder passes over. That's exactly what you're looking for. And you'll notice they're using a side-to-side motion. That's what you want to do as well. Lastly, something you may want to consider is covering up those control joints. You can use our Legacy Industrial Extreme Set 100 for this. It works amazing and gives you that true seamless look when it's complete. Last step, get rid of all that dust and get ready for coating.